all yours.
Okay. Question to both of you. Kasi yung Contrabida Academy is quite intriguing yung title. From your end, what does it mean to be a kontrabida in real life? Parang ano ba siya? Positive ba siya? Or parang may malicious kind of side of being a kontrabida?
For me, kontrabida can be positive and negative. I mean, huwag ka namang pumatay, okay?
Hindi
Tsaka
naman serial killer na yun.
Yeah, huwag kang manira ng buhay. I mean, kumontra ka lang kasi mali. At saka pag kumontra ka, huwag kang patalo. Panindigan mo yung kontra hanggang magwagi ka.
Para sa akin, nagiging positive ang isang kontrabida kung nakakontra niya ng tama yung bida.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For me, my question, why do you think there's this admiration and fascination when it comes to kontrabidas? So we have, Sherry Hill's iconic copycat line until now is well known and well loved. And then of course we have Princess Punzalan's iconic laugh also, brings back memories. And even Meryl Streep's Devil Wears Prada character is also well loved. So why do you think that is? Do we all secretly want to be a kontrabida?
Yes, I agree. Lahat tayo gusto natin ng maganda tayo magbihis, lahat tayo, yung ang galing nating magsalita, yung talagang matatameme yung kausap mo, and lahat tayo gusto natin na pag sinabi natin, powerful. Kasi nasa DNA nating mga Pilipino, because we were colonized many times, na parang, hindi, sige po, puro ganyan eh. I mean, it's not common na makakakita ka ng mga Pilipino na parang sila yung nagko-control or sila yung nagdo-dominate. So when we see those characters on screen, grabe, ginawa niya yung gusto kong gawin. So, tutok ka doon. But when you watch Contrabida Academy, sana we will be awakened. Pwede nating totoong buhay maging kontrabida. Try nyo lang.
Masaya. Actually, ako siguro, I'll answer from the point of view of Gigi, my character, na parang, in-admire ko kasi how Mauricia really approaches everyone, how she carries herself. So I think mas yun, ina-idolize natin yung impact and yung power and yung strength ng pagiging kontrabida. Lalo na pag alam natin sa sarili natin na hindi ganun ka taas ang ating self-esteem. Mas yun, mas parang we admire the better. We always admire the better. And we feel like being a kontrabida is better. Kasi mas na-address nila ng tama yung issues nila. So I think yun.
Hi, my question is for the both of you. How do you balance being funny while still embodying the fairness of being a kontrabida?
Being funny?
Yes.
The script is funny.
Mm-hmm.
So, we just follow the script because the script is really good. Hindi kaya ng artista lang eh. So, the script is everything. So, we just follow the direction of Chris Martinez and the script is complete. So, there you go.
Yes, I have to agree with Miss Eugene. It's really the combination of the brilliance of the script and the direction of Mr. Chris Martinez. Yun talaga. As in, hindi ka mawawala ng landas eh. You just have to follow him and the script. That's it. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm CJ of CJ Says. So my question is for the both of you. You're doing Contrabida Academy now. If given the chance to play the Contrabida in another Netflix series or movies, which actor or actress would you want to play the bida and why?
Oh.
Barbie?
Parang masarap apihin si Anne Hathaway.
Oh.
Wow, ang laki. Oo, wow, ang laki. So nakaupo lang siya palagi. Ganun.
Ang tangkad.
Ang tangkad niya. No, I feel like Anne Hathaway and I think the likes of Lily Rose Depp. Yeah, mga ganyan. Mga who else?
Sa local.
Local. Actually, si Isabel, she's perfect for the role. I feel like...
Ang galing niya.
Ang galing ni Isabel Ortega talaga,
Yun
given
pala
the
yun.
chance. Since we share the same network, we work under the same network, ganyan. Given the chance, I would love to work with her again.
Apihin mo siya ulit.
Sana!
Hindi mo na...
Yun. Napalabas naman na tayo by this
Ay, oo.
time, madam.
Miss Eugene, kayo po.
Wala akong maisip, sorry. Ikaw yata. Gusto ko
Pwede po. Go.
Kasi naiinis ako sa tanong. Hindi, wala akong maisip. Wala. Sorry.
Ako na lang, hindi, para may trabaho ako. Ayun. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello, for the both of you. Was there a kontrabida role na napanood nyo na parang feeling nyo, gusto nyo na na-offer din sa inyo? Na parang, kaya kong gawin to, ang ganda ng character.
Ako, aside from, of course, Miranda Priestley, syempre, suntok sa buwan, pero mangarap na lang din tayo, di ba? Yung Glenn Close, Fatal Attraction.
Ang hirap.
Michael Douglas, di ba?
Ang
madam?
hirap naman ng mga roles.
Yun.
Ako, wala. Kasi tamad ako eh. Wala talaga akong mga kinaiinggitan, sa totoo lang. Kasi alam ko gaano kahirap gampanan.
Mahirap
Yung
na.
mga roles na hinangaan, ang hirap niya. So wala. Okay lang naman ako. Pinakamahirap na role ito, yung nagpe-press con.
Kasi ang sikip ng damit, ng yung...
Ito yata. Malapit na akong mainis sa inyo. Tapos na ba?
Meron pa, bumalik po po
Ayun,
sa
bumalik.
akin.
Kasi nga
Oo.
binibilisan natin yung
Oo,
sagot.
oo, iniiksiyan namin para
Yes,
makaseka.
para maka-second round. Okay.
Pag-usapan na namin.
Yung question ko is, like, while filming this movie, if there's one unexpected thing that you've learned for being a kontrabida that you would wish your audience could get from watching this, ano po yun?
There's something good. If you try to be a kontrabida in real life, that is what the movie is trying to say. There's something good about it. So, try nyo, as I said, try nyo lang.
Ako, the most evil is the most fragile. The most evil is the most fragile. Kasi marami siyang kino-cover na, marami siyang facade. Kasi marami siyang tinatago. So, yun yung natutunan ko dito.
I think my question coincides with your answer. So, what are your thoughts about kontrabidas getting their own origin stories? And it turns out that they weren't really so bad to begin with.
Ako po ba, madam?
For both of
Ready ka
you.
na ba?
Opo, ready naman po. Ako, yes, it is very important to have a very grounded backstory if you are about to play the villain in the story. Kasi the conflict will revolve around you. So, kailangan strong enough yung panggalingan mo para hindi lang basta mainis sa'yo yung tao. Ang goal ko talaga, whenever I watch or I portray someone who's bad, it's really to root for my character in the end. Or for me to root for the character that's bad in the end. Is yun.
Ano yung tanong?
Pagod na siya, madam!
What are your thoughts about kontrabidas getting their own origin story, and then we find out that they weren't so bad to begin with?
Yeah, parang Joker,
Hindi
di ba?
totoo yan. Hindi totoo yan.
Okay, yun.
May bad tayo sa loob. Nahihiya ka palang ilabas.
Okay. Nang wala
Pero,
pinanggalingan to, madam.
Walang sasabihin na, hindi, talagang mabait siya. Hindi totoo. May bad sa'yo. Hindi ka palang masyadong natitrigger or hindi ka palang nagkakaroon ng pagkakataon na lalakasan ko na, bahala na. Pero pag, may bad sa'yo.
Just waiting to come out.
Yes. Good girls are bad girls that haven't been caught.
Ay, wow. Iba.
Diba?
Okay. My question again is for the both of you. The two of you have been together for a while doing the film and then now promoting. What are the most important lessons that you've learned from each other?
Ayun na naman ako sa don't do drugs. Sige, bukod na lang doon.
Hindi, okay naman yun. Para consistent ka. Ano bang natutunan ko sa'yo, Barbie?
Ako siguro po yung natutunan ko po sa kanya is to show up. That's the most important thing. Kasi kitang-kita ko po talaga yung pagod ni Miss Eugene while doing the film because she was juggling 2 projects, if not 3. 3 projects all at the same time na hindi pare-parehas yung character. So, kailangan niyang parang i-motivate yung sarili niya always to, like give her best, always show up. And never kong nakita na parang may ginawang eksena si Miss Eugene na pinalampas niya kasi pagod na siya. Lagi siyang, she's always there. She always makes us feel na she's present in every scene. She always gives. She's very generous. So, mas yun. Wag mong gawing excuse na marami kang ginagawa. Ginusto mo yan eh. 'Di ba? Hindi mo
Oo
naman, hindi
naman.
naman para ma-compromise yung proyektong ginagawa mo kasi pagod ka, 'di ba?
True.
Yun po ang natutunan ko sa kanya.
Okay, so ang natutunan ko naman kay Barbie is that you have to trust the young generation. Okay? You cannot be proud na, okay, nauna kami sa'yo, mas marami kaming alam. It's not true. If you have Barbie around in your work environment, you will learn a lot from this girl. She's really curious. She's very makulit because she wants to be perfect. And that is really good. So that's what I learned about her. I mean, don't be afraid to ask because you're interested and you want to deliver the right thing. So, ako kasi tamad akong magtanong. So, si Barbie matanong. So, ba't di ka nalang naging press? Kung matanong ka?
Palit-palit tayo.
Hindi, okay yun. I mean, you know, you're not too confident. You have to ask. Don't be afraid to ask. Huwag mahiyang magtanong. So, anong yan? Drag story.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, hello again. For the both of you, when do you think it's okay to be a kontrabida?
Feeling ko pag naaapakan ka na. Pag masyado ka ng sa tingin mo na pag-iiwanan na hindi naman dapat. Feeling ko. When it's just not fair anymore for you. Yun.
True. Pag yung bida-bida lang. Hindi naman talaga bida. Ang sarap
Oo.
kontrahin nun,
Yes.
di ba?
Yung mali yung orange juice yung inutos mo, kape yung binigay, tapos siya pa rin yung may love team. Bakit? Iba naman ba? Bakit? Siya pa rin yung gusto ng leading man. Bakit? Eh, mali nga yung binigay.
Kaya tanga-tanga niya.
Tanga-tanga nga.
Oo.
Ewan ko rin.
Diba? So,
Oo.
kontrabida na tayo.
Oo. Yung hindi naman ikaw yung tunay na anak, nasa
Huwag
iyo
tayong
na.
bulag.
Bakit?
Totoo.
Ewan ko din.
Kay Miss Uge po, what can you say about
Hindi ba
Barbie's...
for the both of you?
Ay. Hindi. What can you say about Barbie's performance as a comedy actress?
Naku, patay.
Oh! Very natural. Very natural. Hindi na kailangan pang turuan. Marami lang siyang tanong. Pero that's very technical. But she was born to be an actress, a performer. And she's really versatile. So there. Comedy is already there. Now you have a kontrabida part. Ano pang ma-offer ni Barbie?
Katawan.
Parang hindi sila interesado.
Parang hindi. Parang no. Eto na yung oras na to, madam, yung sabaw na. Ganun. Eto na po. Pang ilan na po kasi kayo, pasensya na. Sige, sulat mo. Okay lang po yan. Grabe.
Okay.
Yun lang po.
Third round?
Third round? Gusto niyo pa? Isa pa? Nandun
May
pa ulit
last
yung
na
mic.
daw.
Go for it. Go.
Ano yan, last question for both of you.
For
What
the
was
both
that
of you.
one moment or one specific moment in your life na you were proud na you played a kontrabida?
Played in real life or in a
Played
movie?
in real life.
Whew. May naisip ka na? Go!
Feeling ko yung when I stood my ground in terms of contracts. Na marami akong mga hindi talaga pinirmahan muna unless I was like
Legally.
100% sure na I'm good with all the clauses in the contracts. Na natutunan ko na lang as I grow older in the industry.
Siguro yung pagiging kontrabida ko on the set is
So water?
tubig.
Tubig.
Okay na rin siguro yung sagot niya. Copy paste mo na lang.
Teka lang, water lang daw. Okay.
Thank you. Ako kasi lagi ako nasasabihan na diva, yung marami akong demands, marami akong requests, or pag feeling ko parang, naku naman, Diyos ko naman, kailangan pa ba yan? Yung mga ganon. Yung totoo ba? Maganda ba? Yung mga ganyan-ganyan. So, parang kontrabida ako doon, in a way. Pero, hindi ko na i-defend ba't ganon yung attitude ko or ba't ako nagdidiva-divahan. Pero pag kung tatanungin mo ako, ba't ka ba nagdidiva-divahan? Okay. So, di ba ikaw yung lead actor dito o ikaw yung senior actor? Kung paapi ka, paano pa yung mas malalim sa'yo? Di ba? Kung ikaw yung halimbawa, oo, okay lang po, sige, oo, hindi pa tayo pagod, oo. Kamusta naman yung
Walang
mas
boses.
Oo. Di ba? Yung parang, ba't siya pumayag? Eh, hindi pa tayo kakaloka naman. Okay na lang na ako na lang yung kontrabida. Pero may tulog ka.
At siya yun. Sino yung humihili kanina?
Nandiyan sa likod.
Yun nga.
So, okay lang. Okay na. Parang ganon.
Thank you. Maraming
Thank
salamat
you.
po. Thank you po.
Oh my gosh.
Sure, let's go. Go for it.